Do some wheelies or no?
Almost crashed.
Yeah, I popped the wheelie and I went, oh.
Okay.
I think it's cooler.
Yeah, right there. You guys ready for snow?
I had a big roll.
Yeah, did you see what I was doing earlier? He was popping wheelie and riding on the wheelie. He can ride on the wheelie. Yeah, he can ride on the wheelie. He can ride on the wheelie. He just needs to hold it up a little longer.
Don't crash onto this tire.
Oh yeah.
He can ride on the wheelie. On the back wheelie. It's too small for you.
Puts his foot down.
But my mom almost ran into that tire.
Should put my GoPro on it.
You can tell he's showing off.
Yeah.
Like, wait. That was a long one.
Huh?
That was a long one.
Yeah. I'm getting a little bit too confident.
I know. Getting
You guys rent it or?
Huh?
You guys rent it or is it?
It's our house. I would ride it, but I don't want to so much use it. I don't want to put my boots on it. It's showing off right now.